In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the first order date in Tableau using a calculated field. This process, which is pivotal for analyzing customer purchase patterns, will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, begin by launching the Tableau application on your computer. For those who are new to Tableau, it's important to remember that this tool is quite powerful for data visualization and analytical projects. Once you have it up and running, open your worksheet. Accessing the worksheet is crucial as it serves as the workspace where all data manipulations are executed. Now let's focus on organizing your data. Drag the customer name field to the rows shelf. This step helps in mapping your visuals to each customer, allowing you to track individual data points more effectively. After that, drag the order date field to the column shelf. Doing so sets up a timeline across your columns, giving a clear view of chronological data distribution. The next step involves creating a calculated field, which is a bit like forming a new dimension or measure from existing data in Tableau. To do this, you need to open the Create Calculated Field window. Give this new calculated field the name First Order Date. In this field, you'll type in your desired query to extract the first order date information for each customer. Once you've entered the query, simply click OK. This calculated field now holds the first order date for every customer, but we have two key dates to handle, so we need to return to the Create Calculated Field option once more. This time, we're going to create another calculated field named Last Order Date. Type in the appropriate query that will determine the most recent order date, and again click OK. Now in your data dimensions, you have separate fields for both the first and last order dates. Finally, it's time to place these calculated dates onto your workspace. Start by dragging the first order date to the text field in your worksheet. Subsequently, drag the last order date to the same text field. These actions ensure that both fields are visible alongside your customer data, allowing for easy comparison and analysis. To fine-tune this data display, click on the drop-down arrows for both the first order date and last order date fields. From the drop-down menu, select Exact Date. This selection ensures that each date is shown precisely as recorded, rather than generalized to months or years. With these steps completed, you have successfully configured your worksheet to display both the first and last order dates, giving you valuable insights into each customer's purchase behavior. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need to make adjustments or explore additional features within Tableau to further enhance your analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.